and welcome back to North Meets South by Satish and Stuti to yet another exciting vlog. If you too have watched Hindi movies, you grew up watching Hindi movies, seeing a doctor or a lawyer well settled in a city and having a wife and a cute little small kid, then he will definitely have this car, and today I'm going to show you which car it is. This is the car I'm talking about, Fiat Padmini. So friends, this was the cute car that I was talking about. It's Fiat Padmini car. I grew up seeing this in movies as well as on the roads because it's a very cute car. And let's look about the exterior of this car. Definitely this is a repainted car, and the headlamps, I don't remember these big headlamps when I saw the original ones because I've seen it so much growing up in my place. And this front grille also looks cute and nice, and definitely some modification they have done in the headlamp as well as the front grille. So this also is an extension, it's a modification for sure. It is air intake, right, to keep the engine cool. And the color itself looks so flashy. That's why when we were going to Anjumala Para, we just stopped over there as I liked the color. It was quite flashy. And on top you can see it is white in color. Definitely this also, they have done it purposely, not having the entire orange color car. And the best part is I love the one little cute wiper. I mean, we are all habitual of having two wipers in the car, but this looks amazing. I love it. Now guys, talking about the tire, I don't think so. These are the original size tires. It is definitely a big tire which has been fitted, but well maintained to give it a more awesome classy look of this. Nice cover, wheel cover, nicely tied up with the, what do you call this, the tags, nicely tied up with the tags, right? And of course there is a silver lining running throughout. The silver lining is adding to the beauty of this car. I'm just loving this combination of silver with orange. And look at this guys, to give it a sporty look, they have nicely fixed a spoiler on that. The car got a little bit dirty as it is standing out for sale. It is for sale. So guys, I think even the indicators are quite large compared to the vehicle. So I think so this is also a modified one, right? And these cute little back indicators. Oh, this is awesome. I'm just liking it so much. It says it's diesel car. I don't know it is running on petrol or diesel. I have no idea about it. But it is pakka a Fiat Padmini car, Fiat premium car. And let's check it out how it looks from inside. The beauty and uniqueness of the handle. Okay, we are all habitual of pulling this one. Now this one is a different one. You need to press it and then it opens. You saw that? I'll do it once more for you. We need to press this, right? And then it opens, right? Wow. It looks neat and nice even from inside. Let me just try it out. Okay. So how is Stuti looking in an antique car, a unique old car? I'm feeling really, really nice to sit inside this car. Hey guys, it is really awesome. Although I'm about to touch, my head is almost about to touch the roof. But you can see lovely work they have done from interiors. Now coming to the dashboard. Now this dashboard is really, really sleeky one, friends. It is really sleeky. It does have AC vents. I do not know whether it has AC fixed in that or not. And look at this kind of glove box, come tray, I would say. Usually we have the glove box like this, or probably this is the one. It's kind of a mysterious one for me. So you have a cute little glove box over here. Of course we can lock it. And this little space is nice to keep our phone, our mobile phone, right? And talking about this. You have speedometer, you have, I don't know, this is for RPM.
Wait. You hold it on.
So this is the steering wheel. quite big enough, right, to compare to this small, narrow, cute little car. Steering wheel is quite big, and here is the horn, and it works. Boom. Come on. One time it worked, other time it is not working. And this is the speedometer. It can go up till 140 kilometers. I guess if I'm able to capture it. Oh well, light is too less. The light is too less. Okay, so the maximum speed is 140 kilometers. And onto this right, what is this, honey? Onto the right. Help me, I don't know about this part. RPM or what it is.
Yeah.
Right? You have temperature gauge over there, and also the fuel tank capacity, right? Indicators for right hand side and left hand side. And look at this, friends. This is on our right hand side, right? It is for the upper dipper, switching on and off the light. So usually for the gear, first place I was looking is over here. But you know what, friends? The gear is over here, attached to this same stem, the same place from where the steering wheel is there. So this is a unique way of, doing it, right? And much more things about the disc and things. I don't know whether it is functioning. Talking about the seat, it's quite comfortable because I sat on the driver's seat, right? They have a nice joint seat at the back as well. Let's have a look at the back seat as well. This also looks quite comfortable. They have done the refurbishing of the seat only for the front one, matching cream with the orange. But the back seat doesn't seem to have the same theme. Nevertheless, it's quite comfortable by look itself. And I found something very interesting over here. The small little lever over here, right? There's a small triangular shape glass, right? It's a small little window. So there's a small lever over here which you can, I'm trying to open it. I can't. Okay, so anyway, so its function is to open this window to get little breeze. The interior also is well done. It is nicely clean and fixed, nice cushions on this. You have this to, pull the glass down, and it does work, right? So this is altogether an amazing car. So friends, I had lots of fun doing the video about this cute car of Fiat Padmini. We will give you the number in the description. This car is for sale. Well, I'm not buying this because it's of no use for me, right? But if any one of you who are into movie making or even for wedding purpose, you can literally think about this. It is an awesome car. It's running and it is functioning really well. So we'll catch you up in the next video. Do remember to like, share and subscribe our video. Till then, take care. God bless. Satish and Stuti says bye-bye.